Okay. Hey folks, Terry Brown back with you with another video. In fact, this is my second video today, and I want to thank you so much for being here. Okay, this is going to be a powerful video. I've got a short, powerful message for you. I've entitled this video, Become a Business Builder in Great Life Worldwide. Change your mindset. And this video is specifically, okay, for those with a desire to build a business, a huge business with the Great Life Worldwide opportunity. But it's also for those who want to get into the program. Maybe you're not interested in building a huge business, but you do want to do something. Okay, so it's for you too. Okay, so I've got some very vital information that I want to share with you. So stay with me for the next few moments. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at this together. This is powerful stuff here. Okay. Are you a success-minded, goal-oriented person? If our current mindset won't get us to the next level, it is important to know that, to acknowledge it, and to begin to change our mindset. Okay? We need a positive, dynamic dream or dreams for our futures, but a dream in and of itself is not enough. Okay? If our thinking is stinking, and I first heard that phrase years ago with the late great Zig Ziglar. He talked about stinking thinking. And here's something that if we do have stinking thinking, we know that we have it. All right. Most of the time, some people may not know, but it's important to recognize the way that we are thinking. All right. And if we have stinking thinking, it's important to begin to change how we think. If we can change our thinking, we can change our living. Okay? One of the things we can do is pay attention to negative thoughts and try to challenge and reframe them. And when we talk about reframing things, I often think about Thomas Edison, who tried to create the incandescent light bulb, and he had like over 1,000 experiments. Okay, from what I understand historically. And when somebody asked about what was all of that about, and he did not look at those I guess failures, okay, but he did not look at them as failures. He looked at his trying over 1,000 times and not getting there. He looked at that as learning what not to do. He found 1,000 ways not to do it. So he was just reducing, okay, and getting to the problem, or getting to the issue, or getting to the solution rather, of what he wanted to do. But he had to go through the experience and the experiments to get there. Okay, now I hope that makes sense. Okay, but what he did in essence is that he looked at those failures, so-called, all right, he looked at them differently than maybe you or I would have probably looked at them. He looked at them as learning what not to do. Okay? All right. Hope that makes sense. Now, let's look at this one. Instead of dwelling on problems, look for solutions and focus on the possibilities. Man, how many times, do we dwell on the problems that we face? How many times do we keep our focus on things that didn't work as opposed to looking at things that could work? You see, um, looking at the potential, looking at possibilities. Man, that's something to think about, isn't it? That is incredible. See, we've got to change the way we think so that we can change the way we live. Okay. Okay, and let's look at this last one. Consider the alternative perspectives to foster a more optimistic mindset. Yeah, guess what? We can always do something different. We can always go a different way. And that's a beautiful thing because we don't have to be stuck with one thought or one idea, okay? And yeah, it's a challenge, but we can make that challenge to be fun, okay? So we can consider what the alternatives, all right? And when you grab that mindset, then you're gonna foster a more positive outlook, okay? So what do we want to do, man? We want to change our mindset positively when we need to do that, okay? Now I want to share one other thing with you, and then we're going to close this video out, okay? Okay, real quick. A couple of weeks ago, I put together I did a video, should I say, and it was about the reasons people will love this business, this Great Life business, and why people are loving this business today. Okay, now we're still in pre-launch. Okay, in fact, we were supposed to launch, or the projection date to launch the business was 1/3/2024. It is now 1/4/2024, so we are very close. But this was a list I put together, and should you join my team, uh, I'm gonna send you some of this stuff as much as you want. The list and ideas I put together so you can create something, or I can even create it for you to make things easier for you, for those who join my team who want to be business builders. Yeah, we're going to be doing that. Okay, so I'm not going to go through this. I'm just going to scroll down, let you see it. You can pause it, take a look at it. Why people are liking this business and why people will like this business. Okay, and you can pause this video, okay, and you can check it out for yourself, okay? But there you have it, folks. I do have a link in the description area of this video. Well, let me do this and I'll be right back here, okay? Okay, now there is a link in the description area of this video where you can sign up on my waiting list, my information list, okay? When the websites do come out, I'll get a link out to you. And if you want to get signed up with our team, then you can do that. Okay. Also, there is a model website link there in the description area of this video as well. And so I invite you to check out the information in the description area of this video. Check out those links. All right. Get signed up with me, and I'll get information out to you, okay? But there you have it, folks. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.